Well, changes are coming here on a Tuesday. Glad you're here. I'm Eric Hunnert.
And I'm Nadi Rampur. Yes, of course, it's a double twos kind of Tuesday. Two. That's what we all did when we came in here this morning. But of course, that's significant. But our top story this morning, the weather, also going to be really significant across parts of San Diego.
Yeah, we're talking about rain, snow in some spots, and a lot of wind happening out there right now.
So today, schools in the Mountain Empire Unified School District will be closed. You're looking at a live shot from Julian. This is Main Street there. Of course, still dark, but, it's been really windy. San Diego County Office of Education said these closures are due to the high winds in that area. Not yet the snow, though.
Yeah, pretty soon it'll be coming. Our team is getting us ready. CBS 8's Dana Marie McNichols keeping an eye on the coast as well as the preps underway in other parts of town. But we start with Evan Nurani. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning to you. We are seeing plenty of rain that is starting to pop up on satellite radar imagery, but we're going to see it intensify as we head through the afternoon. That's where our best chance lies for accumulating rainfall, likely up to ½ an inch along the greater coastline and an inch through your inland valleys. So this is going to be a pretty decent rain event coming our way for today, all the way through your Wednesday. It starts off mainly in the afternoon hours, but the morning could involve just a few light showers first off. Temperatures are significantly cooler than what we're used to, mainly 50s on the screen for your coastline and inland valleys. And you can see how on satellite radar, we've already seen indication of just a few light showers on there. Another big consideration today is wind. We have a wind advisory that is in effect. We also have a high wind warning off toward the deserts. This all comes with those tight pressure gradients between a ridge of high pressure and a trough of low pressure. That trough of low pressure sinking into our region. And with those tight pressure gradients comes plenty of wind. So let's send things out to Dana Marie McNichols. She is live this morning, letting us know what those conditions look like currently. Good morning, Dana Marie.
Good morning, Evan. I'm here on Mission Beach with the boardwalk and beach behind me, and let me tell you that wind advisory, you are feeling it out here on the coast. I mean, those sustained winds are strong, but also those wind gusts as well. So right now the sun is obviously down. Once we do get that sunrise, we'll show you that beach. But right now what I can tell you, it's not too frigid, around 55 degrees. If you're going on your morning walk or run, grab a windbreaker because you're absolutely going to need it. So we did reach out to people and talk to people in East County. Take a look at this Doppler radar. We could see temperatures 10 to 20 degrees below average and snow at really low levels, possibly at 2,500 feet. So we went to East County to talk to people stocking up on supplies ahead of this potential freeze. Manager Ken Matthews at Ace Hardware in Alpine said it has been extremely busy. Customers are looking for pallets of wood, firewood, kerosene, propane, all in high demand right now. Also, things to stay warm as people are excited about playing in the snow.
They're going to come in for mittens. They're going to come in for hats, beanies, hand warmers, mega warmers. They put ones in their bodies, and they cut inside their pockets and stuff. I have even foot warmers.
Good thing that you need to stay warm if you're planning on heading out to the snow. But back here in Mission Beach, that wind advisory is lasting until 6 p.m. tonight. I could feel it. It's almost pushing my body. That's why I pulled my hair back today. But just kind of know from those coastals to the valley, you're going to feel that most likely while driving as well on those roads. So take note, no rain right now on the coast right here in Mission Beach. But of course, we'll be live all morning long giving you those conditions.